steel shelf. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right. We have a length of 36 inches. Depth of 12 inches. And a height 34 inches tall. Coming to the bottom left and right corners are additional support for stands. The distance between the middle and top shelf, we have 16¼ inches, with the middle and top shelf thickness measuring 1 inches and a top. Coming to the top left corner will be the NSF certification. And please note that the film covering the stainless steel can be peeled off. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.